On our way up with the grandkids for a quick 2-day trip for muskie and some pan fishing. Say hi.
Hi.
That's it?
Yeah.
I guess so.
For now.
They're not that excited. Alright, it's Monday morning. I'm in here doing dishes. We're done with breakfast. But somebody's outside fishing. He just got one. Let's go take a look. But first, here's a recap on the 2019 Fishing Challenge competition standings. Never mind, he didn't save it. He released it, so that doesn't count. I couldn't show it on camera.
What? No.
I was coming out to videotape it.
This hook works nice. So this is a salmon lure that they use in Alaska for catching salmon. And there's third cast right over there, and they caught him.
How big?
But probably 15 to 17.
Cool. And what kind?
Largemouth bass.
Okay. Monday evening here. July, what is today? July 8th, 9th? Whatever. They're out of school and I'm retired. Who cares?
Yesterday was the 8th, I think.
Yesterday was 8th, so maybe the 9th. Anyways, we're finally out here. About 6 o'clock. And we're going to try for some walleye. We're working Berkeley Gulp Alive, minnows, and I've got a big old night crawler on. And we'll see what happens.
Okay, Wesley caught a fish.
It's part of a dragonfly that came out of his mouth.
You ate a dragonfly?
Yeah.
I might fall off the boat right here.
You're doing good, Mikayla. Mikayla's our videographer. Oh, you swallowed that thing, eh?
No, not really.
No? We can get you. There you go.
His mouth is pretty bloody.
Showing. Alright, first fish. Got one.
Alright, good job.
Alright.
Alright, Wes got another one.
Well, that's a nice size. That's a nice size. That's worth it.
Wes, your phone's still on.
I don't care.
That's a nice one. Let me get a picture of that.
12. Or no, 13. Do I know how I know?
Oh.
Your
My
hand.
shoe's a size 12, so it's 1 foot, and he's about 1
12
inch
inches?
longer. Yeah.
12 inches going back. Wes on the board with 2.
Alright, we're recording.
Wes is doing that job.
Bring it up. Oh, put it down. Put your ring here. There you go.
Got him? Woohoo! All right, Mikayla. We're catching fish.
At least I'm onto the board now.
Hey.
Hey, I'm at least hitting you.
Yep. You guys are kicking my butt today. I have yet to catch a fish. That's a big one. Catching smallies.
Bigger than your foot.
Nah, 12.
About 12. Okay, Mikayla, get in there. Mikayla's first fish. Let me zoom in. Mikayla's first fish today.
She's
or
actually
no,
holding it.
not her first fish today. Well, how many today? Third?
Yeah.
3.
Number 3 today. First though this afternoon here out on the boat. All right.
No.
Release time.
I hate you. Ew, now my hands will fire.
All right.
Right on.
So Wes is pitching some musky baits while we're slip bobbering for walleye and smallies. So far they boated 3 fish, all smallies so far. Where are the walleye?
Grandpa's got one
I'm
finally.
going around to this side. Look out, I'm coming to this side.
2. Get behind.
He's pulling.
Ow.
Whoa! I better loosen the drag a little. It's coming up.
Got it?
Yep.
Alright.
Well, he inhaled it. Like he legit inhaled it.
Here, hold this. So I can get him. Might have to cut him off and retie. Oops, sorry.
Alright, get up here.
All right. I got it. I was able to turn it.
Yep.
Little guy, maybe I'd say 8.5 to 10 range.
Got a nice belly.
Yeah, so going back. Which way should I flip him, Mikayla?
That way.
Right that way? Paloosh! He did a belly flop. Okay, we're all on the board. Yay! Whoop. Yay! We're all on the board. Yours is down. Wes, yours is down.
It's on its side.
It's down. The bobber is down.
Wesley, get it.
Got him?
Alright, I'm leaving mine in. Give me a piece.
Oh, wait.
Camera's running, Mikayla. We should be okay with that.
I'm just not right here, right here. Can I get the good angle? Okay.
Get him out. I'll just scoop him. Get him up the terrace surface. Got him. Fish number 5. They're starting to turn on.
It's getting darker, so that's why. Let me zoom
Ooh,
in.
that's a pretty color.
Here.
Can you zoom in like a leopard pattern? Did that turn out?
Yeah.
Cool, hey?
Alright,
Ready for this release?
hold on. Where are you gonna throw it? Right there?
No.
Cool.
We want walleye. Where are the walleye? You're down again, Wes. Wes has got the hot
Whoa.
hand.
Alright,
I get the net,
I'll get the camera.
Oh, he's small. Don't bother.
flip him in.
Alright. Get a tube.
Oh, he just flicked my thing off. Scared the crap out of him. Oh, the eagle's back.
Oh yeah?
There's the eagle. I'll try and get a good angle of it.
Ooh, he's up in a tree.
Watch
See
my
if you-
bobber.
See if you can zoom in on him. Little did we know that shortly the eagle would join our fishing competition. Yep.
Alright, Papa got another one.
Hang on, this guy's pulling. Let me get him up here. Woo-wee. Feels a little better. Feels a little heavier. Whoa. Be nice if he'd be a walleye, but I don't think so. Nope, another smallmouth.
Oh! Oh, I
Yeah.
thought he shook off.
He almost come out, huh? There we go. Hooked right through the top of the mouth. Little guy. So, okay? All right, release time. They're all over the boat. They're turning on. Now we got to get the walleye to start biting. We're catching nothing but smallies. Mikayla on another one. They're coming fast and furious now. They are biting. They are biting. There we go. Mikayla, how many for you now? 2? 3?
2.
2? Oh, that's right. That one shook off. Number 2 originally shook off, so this now becomes number 2 that's in the boat. Another smallie. He's got that bronze side coming up, and it looks like a walleye. But we're on the smallies, but nothing big. But the fish are starting to bite, so hopefully the walleyes start. Okay, that was smallie number 8. They're starting to turn on. We're looking for walleye. Walleye have a tendency to congregate with smallmouth. So let's get on them walleye. There's Mikayla. Camera's on. I got the net. Camera's on. You can hang on to them. Bring them on this side. Okay, maybe we got something good.
Oh, I thought he came off for a second.
What we got is don't just. Okay, just take your time. Take your time. Take your time. Should loosen your drag a little. Nice smallie. Got him. It's a nice one. I'll get the measure, a tape measure.
It's on the console.
Yep.
Ooh, he,
Inhaled it.
yeah.
We might have to cut it off. Here.
Well, I mean, like, I
Let's
can
measure them.
see the jig.
Yeah, we'll
Look at the colors.
Let's measure them. What do we got? You're going to stretch out his tail. Stretch out his tail. Pinch it. We've got 13 and a half. How deep is it? Here, let me try to. I grab it behind. See right there? If you can grab that hook and then twist it, turn it. There.
Biggest smallie of the day.
13.
His lips all ripped up, though.
Yeah. They're getting bigger. Where are the walleye? This is what, number 9? We've had 10 smallmouths on. We've boated 9.
Here we go.
The
Here's
biggest
the
13
release.
behind the black. Oh, you whacked him on the boat.
His tail hit it. Not my fault.
You're gonna have to redo that. They go down?
Yeah.
What do you got? What do you got?
Nothing.
Nothing. Reel it up.
I did
Where
have
it-
something.
It picked you clean. It picked her minnow. Her Berkeley Gulp Alive minnow got picked.
I need
Well, go ahead, put another one on.
Okay.
You gonna put another one on?
Yes.
You are?
Yes.
You're actually gonna put one on?
I'll try.
Okay. You know, I know we're catching fish tonight, but sometimes this has got to be enough. Right here. You just got to be happy you're out on the water and seeing scenes like this. Flew back in the exact same spot. He's peeking around the limb at me. There he is.
There's another bird that's into that tree.
Very cool. Very cool. Like I said, we're catching fish and that's a bonus, but seeing wildlife like that, that's great.
Whoa, what was that?
My fish.
That was like red color.
Tighten your drag a little bit, Mikayla. Tighten your drag a little.
That's pulling hard.
Okay, well, just relax, relax. You might have a nice fish here. We don't want to lose it. Okay, bring them up a little.
Oh, I see it. I see the bobber.
The big smallie, big smallie, big smallie. Bring here.
Oh, yeah.
Don't let it shake, don't let it shake. Missed him. Here, bring him back around, bring him back around.
Oh, that would have been your biggest fish, Mikayla. Mikayla.
Whoa.
That would have been your biggest fish. You would have broke your record.
Oh, wow.
But that probably was, I'd say, definitely an 18-inch smallie. Probably a little bigger, but on the safe side, 18 inches. That is a big eagle.
Well, I guess that eagle got tired of watching us catch fish. He flew down to the shoreline to do a little fishing for himself. And he put on an awesome clinic of spot, stalk, and catch to show us.
He's going after something. Jumped in and tried to get something. He came out with nothing. Or did he get something? He got a fish. He's eating a fish. He got a fish. He jumped in, he caught that little fish, and now he's got it pinned down on the wood, and he's eating. Is that cool? Very cool. Is that neat?
Papa got one.
Whoa, he jumped right over the net.
What the heck?
Got him? He keeps backing out of my... Gotcha. There. Let's see what we're into here. Can you get me your... Well, I can see it. I should be able to get it out. Just gotta turn it. There we go.
Alright.
Going in.
Alright. Okay.
Got him.
What'd you get?
Nice size. We'll measure that one. I'll get the tape.
I got it. Or not.
This
What?
guy's teeth are
I was
sharp.
gonna get it.
They hurt.
This is, could be. I'm trying to get to where the thumb is. That looks like right there. No, this is 12 1/4 only. You know, still 13 1/2 is the biggest.
Oh, that hurt really bad. Ow.
There it goes.
After catching a lot of smallmouth bass, but not a single walleye, we move to a mid-lake boulder reef as the sun goes down, hoping for a walleye bite to start.
Kayla's got one on. She lost another one out there, and Wes is trying to net it for her.
Got it.
Got it? I mean, how many times were the bobbers down? 4 times already?
Yeah.
Bobbers were down at least 4 times, and when I missed one, Mikayla missed 2.
No. Yeah, two.
2, and now you got this one.
Well, it was on. It just came off right away, like right at the boat.
Yep. So, we had another smallie though.
Yeah. I think.
Yep.
Wait, let me get him on camera here.
Net.
Yeah, another smallmouth. All right.
Okay, you got one.
Don't throw them in yet. I'll get a picture with the camera. Yeah, turn them this way a little more. That way.
Toss him.
Yep.
Hold on.
Oh,
no.
sorry.
It's okay.
I told him go ahead.
Alright.
For some more.
He already got another one.
Thanks for some more high fives.
Hold on.
Calm down.
He's over the hooks. Okay.
He's all dirty. Now you want?
Ready?
He's got the lower.
Papa got another one. You can't see.
I think what I got to do is go upside down on this guy. Get him upside down. Just calm down. Calm down.
Oh, great.
Why are you all green?
Go get him. Go get Wes's. I almost got this one out. There, mine's out.
Okay.
Go get Wes's.
No,
Look out.
it's out.
He's out.
Here we go, doubler. Hey, doubler.
Hold on, let me get a picture with this.
It was nice to finish the first day of fishing by catching a doubler with my grandson, but the walleye continued to elude us.
Double.
All right, hold on.
You got to get your light again?
Alright, both gotta do a back.
Nope.
A back.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Now let's take a quick look at the updated 2019 Fish Challenge standings. In 3.5 hours on the water tonight, Wes managed to land 9, Mikayla 5, and Papa 4, for a total of 18 fish. The current total standings are Wes with 46, Papa with 39, Mikayla with 22, for a total fish catch of 107. Oh yes, and by the way, the eagle had 1.
All right, we're muskie fishing. You saw the action yesterday. We were trying for some walleye, but we ended up with a lot of smallmouth and lost a couple of real nice ones. Wes and Mikayla. Line busted off of both. Both fish were pushing 18 to 20 inch smallies. So, anyways, we're hunting muskie today. We're in the Northwoods of Wisconsin, and we got into a little niche of a lake here. We're the only ones on this body of water. Took us a little bit to get in here, but we're going to pitch some baits for muskie. We'll take northern if we get it, right? Northern? Yeah, we'll take northern. So let's get geared up, let's get baits in the water. Oh, I had a hit. I had a hit. If I ain't got a fish, feels like a fish. It's tugging, got a fish. Got a fish. I don't know what I'm into. Pike. Yep, got a pike.
Grab him.
Yeah,
Papa got a pike.
Oh, that's cool, right in front
That's
of the
a
camera.
big gash. That could be a keeper pike.
No, in the side of it.
Yeah, the big gash.
These?
Yeah. You might as well start filling up the live well.
Oh, we're gonna keep him?
Yeah, I think so.
Is it the aerator?
Huh?
Aerator thing?
No, the live well. I lost him. I didn't have a good grip on him and he shook off just as I popped the hooks.
Well, fish number 1 for Papa.
That still counts.
Well, I thought we'd have some pike.
And
I didn't have a good grip, and as I popped the hook, he shook off. I thought both hooks were in there good, but apparently not.
at least we got him to the boat, right?
Well, we got some good video. Well, it's our 5:30 report, and just that one pike. I had a hit, Wes had a hit, Mikayla had a follow, and that was about it. We just had that one pike on, and we were going to keep him, but good old Papa didn't have a good grip on him. As I popped the hooks off, he shook, I couldn't hang on, and plooch, I lost him. He was about, I don't know, 20, 22 inches at best. But it would have been nice have a little pike for fish fry. Going to our second location, we're going to fish that for about an hour and a half till around 7, a little after 7, and then we're calling it an outing. That'll be it. Maybe we'll get a little luckier there. What do you think?
Maybe.
Maybe? Yeah, she's real enthused because we're not catching fish. But that's why it's called fishing and not catching. Keeping it real.
Yeah. No.
Coming out of our secret spot.
There's a fish right over there.
What?
I think that was a northern.
Oh yeah? Did you see one?
Yeah.
Cool.
I saw a big fish.
Not too many boats venture back here. Oh, look at the blue heron.
Oh, that's cool.
Muskie.
See one?
Yes, it just ate a fish.
Huh?
It just ate a fish.
Oh yeah?
Of course, now my thing won't spin.
Yeah, mine?
I'm not kidding. It came up and just ate one of them little fish.
Oh, Papa, I see it. I see it. You went right next to it.
We kept pitching baits in that general direction of that muskie that Wes saw take a fish. But after just eating that fish, all of our casts were not enticing enough to get it to attack again. We moved out to a mid-lake structure area where we have encountered a muskie we call Our Lady of the Evening. But being only around 7 p.m., it was a little early, as our past encounters with Our Lady of the Evening would take place between 9:30 to midnight. But we were in the area, so we tried. But we came up empty.
Well, we finished 2 days of fishing. Wes with a nice largemouth bass just as it started to rain right off the dock. We just got done cleaning everything up, putting the boat away. We had a tough day today. 5 hours on the water, 1 pike, 2 follows from muskies that we saw, and that was it. It was a tough day. Wes grabbed his rod. How many casts?
Over here, like 3.
3 casts, and look at it, look at that nice bass. Very cool. All right, we ended the day on a high note. All right, thumbs up. The release. A 360 for the release. You need a 5.5s. All right, good job.
Because we were hunting muskie most of day 2, It wasn't a good numbers day for boating fish. But let's take a look at the current standings in the 2019 Annual Fishing Challenge. Wes still leads with 47 fish, Papa in second with 40, Mikayla with 22, and a total of 109 fish in 20 and a half hours of fishing time on the water. Well, that ends our 2-day trip in the Northwoods of Wisconsin. Spend time with Wes and Mikayla on our 2019 Annual Fishing Challenge. Remember, anytime you can make an outdoors adventure with the next generation is time well spent with memories made.
Well, that's it for this week's episode. If you enjoyed the episode, please go ahead and hit the like button. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos and my channel. A big thank you for that. Now, feel free to comment below, or if you don't want your comments available in the public eye, we can also be reached at rapintoutdoors360@gmail.com. And if you know a friend you think may enjoy this video series, please feel free to share this with him or share our link. Remember, subscribe, like, comment, and share. And always, whether you fish or hunt, make sure you practice CCR. Catch, conserve, replenish. Make sure that that resource is available for future generations. We'll see you all next time.